In food production, every second counts, and so does every component. That's why our BPD Machine Maintenance Experts prefer CRC food-grade lubricants. Engineered for performance in food processing environments, CRC food-grade greases and lubricants deliver protection you can trust and efficiency you can see. Keep systems moving smoothly with CRC food-grade chain lube, reducing wear, extending equipment life, and cutting costly downtime. Free up stuck or corroded parts fast with our powerful penetrating oil, saving maintenance time when it matters most. Also available are non-food grade CRC products. For sealing and bonding needs, try RTV silicone adhesive and sealant, which provides a strong, flexible seal made to last. Fewer breakdowns, faster maintenance, smoother operations. CRC, smart protection for the way you work.